Most people use ChatGPT completely wrong. They ask basic questions and get basic answers. But there's a whole secret side of ChatGPT that almost nobody talks about. And once you know these secrets, you'll never use it the same way again. Secret number 10. The DN prompt. ChatGPT has hidden capabilities that most users never unlock. By telling ChatGPT to roleplay as a different AI with no restrictions, users have discovered it can think more creatively, write more boldly, and solve problems in completely new ways. Most people never know this exists. Secret number 9. Act as an expert. Instead of just asking ChatGPT a question, tell it exactly who to be first. Say, act as a Harvard professor of psychology and explain anxiety to me. The quality of the answer completely transforms. Same question, 10 times better answer, just by adding 4 words. Secret number 8. The infinite story trick. ChatGPT can write entire novels, screenplays, and video scripts, but most people don't know how to keep it going. Simply end every prompt with "continue the story" and leave it at a cliffhanger. It will keep writing forever without losing the plot. Secret number 7. Make it argue both sides. Ask ChatGPT to argue both sides of any topic: politics, business decisions, relationships, and it gives you perspectives you never considered. Lawyers, business owners, and debaters use this trick daily to think 10 steps ahead of everyone else. Secret number 6. The money prompt. Type this exactly: I have $1,000 in 1 month. Give me a step-by-step plan to turn it into $5,000 using only online methods. ChatGPT will give you a detailed business plan most consultants would charge thousands of dollars for. Completely free. Secret number 5. Summarize anything. Paste any article, contract, or legal document into ChatGPT and say, summarize this in simple English and highlight anything I should be concerned about. Lawyers charge $500 an hour for this. ChatGPT does it in 10 seconds for free. Secret number 4. The email hack. Tell ChatGPT, write me an email that gets a response. The goal is to get a meeting with the CEO. Make it under 100 words and impossible to ignore. The emails it writes have gotten people meetings with Fortune 500 executives. Most people just ask it to write an email and wonder why nobody replies. Secret number 3. Learn anything in 20 minutes. Say, teach me everything I need to know about investing in real estate as if I am a complete beginner. Use simple language and give me practical steps. ChatGPT becomes the best teacher you ever had for any subject, completely free. Secret number 2. The resume secret. Paste your resume into ChatGPT and say, rewrite this resume to get interviews at top tech companies. Make every line show results, not just responsibilities. People have gone from 0 callbacks to multiple interviews at Google and Amazon just from this one trick. Secret number 1, and the biggest secret nobody talks about. ChatGPT remembers everything within a conversation. So start every important conversation with, before we begin, here is everything about me, my goals, my situation, and what I need help with. Then paste your full background. From that point, ChatGPT becomes your personal advisor who knows everything about you, not just a search engine. This single trick separates people who get amazing results from people who get average ones. So which of these 10 secrets are you going to use first? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely want to know. And if you want more AI secrets and tech tips every week, subscribe to Tech Mind Daily. We post every week, and every video could change the way you think. See you in the next one.